Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 22-piece Taba squishy toys. Now, my kids love fidgets, and these are fantastic. First of all, they're all individually wrapped, and you get a variety of different colors, sizes, little critters. And you even have some, like this little paw print one, that you can actually make into like a little thing you can actually tie on here and put it on a keychain or hang it up somewhere, so that is great. If you wanted to use these as Easter decorations or back to school, because that's coming back in, these would be great little fidgets for school because they don't make noise. So you can squish them, you squeeze them, and you're not annoying anyone else in the class, but yet those little fidget tendencies, my kids love to play with these things. You can pull on them. These are super durable as far as being able to use them. And with all the different kinds, you've got cookies, you've got bears, you've got paw prints. I mean, it's all sorts of different things. And with the size variety, you can use them all over, give them out to friends, or just keep them for yourself.